About a month and a half ago this happened. One side of the door handle broke off on the driver's side, so it's just been hanging. I thought, I can get by on that. Well, Tuesday, Hayden went to get in on the passenger side and the whole handle ripped off. So I have no handle there and half a handle here. So rather than get shut out of my vehicle, I decided to go ahead and replace it. First things first, popped off the door lock, popped off the cover around the inside door handle. Yeah, looks like now, bolt there, bolt up under there. I don't think you can see it, it's under here, and then another bolt there, it looks like. I think I gotta take this off as well. This should pop off by hand. So I'm gonna use a screwdriver. I'm gonna get that off and then go ahead and ordered me a new door handle. It's like $9. The passenger door handle was $10. It should be coming in the mail later this afternoon. So stay tuned. So that bolt there turned into be one of those torque screws. I think it was a T15. And then that one over there turned out to be one of these Christmas tree looking things. So I think I got to take that cover off to access the outside bolt. So we're going to do that next.